12 simple smoothie recipes for everyday wellness. Smoothies aren't just trendy. They're a powerful, delicious way to fuel your body and support your health goals. Whether you're looking for a quick energy boost, a glowing complexion, better digestion, or a little help winding down at night, there's a smoothie here for you. These 12 easy-to-make smoothies are packed with natural ingredients that target specific needs, from strengthening immunity to lifting your mood. No complicated prep, no fancy powders, just whole foods blended into vibrant, satisfying drinks. So grab your blender, pick your purpose, and let's nourish your body one sip at a time. 1. Energy Booster Smoothie. Morning wake-up or post-workout energy. 1 banana, 1/2 cup oats, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. 2. Digestive Aid Smoothie. Bloating, gut health. 1 cup of pineapple, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, fresh or ground, 3/4 cup coconut water. 3. Immunity Booster Smoothie. Fighting off colds. 1 orange, peeled, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 1/4 cup carrots, shredded or chopped, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 cup water or orange juice. 4. Glowing Skin Smoothie. Skin health and hydration. 1/2 avocado, 1/2 cucumber, 1/2 banana, a handful of spinach, 1 cup coconut water. 5. Weight Loss Green Smoothie. Low calorie, filling. 1 green apple, chopped, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cucumber, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk. 6. Brain Boost Smoothie. Focus and mental clarity. 1/2 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup oat milk. 7. Anti-inflammatory smoothie. Reducing inflammation and joint pain. 1/2 cup cherries, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, pinch of black pepper, 1 cup almond milk. 8. Detox Smoothie. Flushing out toxins. 1/2 beet, cooked or raw, chopped, 1/2 banana, 1/2 apple, a handful of kale, 1 cup water. 9. Protein Power Smoothie. Muscle recovery. 1 scoop protein powder, your choice. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/2 cup frozen berries, 1 cup oat milk. 10. Sleep Support Smoothie. Relaxation and better sleep. 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup cherries, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup almond milk. 11. Hair Health Smoothie. Strengthening hair and promoting growth. 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon flaxseed or chia seeds, 1/2 cup spinach, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 12. Mood Lifter Smoothie. Boosting serotonin and improving mood. 1 banana, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 teaspoon cacao powder, 1 tablespoon walnuts or cashews, 1 cup oat milk. Ready to blend your way to better days? With just a blender and a few fresh ingredients, you now have 12 simple, purposeful smoothie recipes at your fingertips, each designed to support your health, your mood, and your daily routine. Whether you're starting your morning strong or winding down with something nourishing, there's a smoothie here for every need. Now it's your turn. Pick one, blend it up, and feel the difference. And if you loved these, don't forget to share this collection with a friend who could use a little wellness boost in their day. And feel free to subscribe so you get motivation and information for a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.